To transfer USDT from Revolut to Bybit, start by ensuring you have a Revolut account with a sufficient USDT balance and a Bybit account. First, open the Revolut app and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Then select USDT and click on the Send button. You will be prompted to enter the recipient address, which in this case is your Bybit USDT deposit address. To find your Bybit USDT deposit address, log into your Bybit account and navigate to the Assets section. Then click on Deposit and select USDT. Bybit will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this address and go back to the Revolut app. Paste the Bybit USDT deposit address into the recipient address field in Revolut. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and confirm the transaction. It is essential to note that Revolut may charge a small transaction fee for the transfer, and Bybit may also have a minimum deposit requirement. Additionally, the transfer may take some time to process, depending on the blockchain network congestion. Once you have initiated the transfer, you can track the status of your transaction on the Blockchain Explorer or within the Bybit platform. When the transfer is complete, your USDT balance will be updated in your Bybit account, and you can use it for trading or other purposes. It is crucial to double-check the recipient address before confirming the transaction to avoid any potential errors or losses. Also, be aware of the market conditions and fees associated with the transfer to ensure a smooth and cost-effective experience. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can successfully transfer USDT from Revolut to Bybit and start trading or using your USDT on the Bybit platform.